Arrive in style with this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 27B Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 Henry MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, Tradesman package, wheels, 20-inch x 8 inches aluminum chrome clad included, full-size temporary use spare tires, P275/60R20 BSW as, tires, P275/60R20 BSW AS, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, Tradesman SXT package included, bright rear bumper radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display 5.0